In this first step, we're creating a new style element. This element will allow us to inject custom CSS rules directly into the HTML document. We're setting the type attribute of the style element to text, CSS. This specifies that the styles contained within are written in CSS. Next, we're going to assign CSS rules to this style element as a string using the inner text property. These rules define how our font should behave and provide fallback options. We're using the @font-face rule, which allows us to specify a custom font to download and use throughout the web page. Within the @font-face block, we're defining custom font as the name we'll use to reference our custom font elsewhere in our CSS. This src line tells the browser where to download the font file from, along with the format of the font we're using, in this case WAF2, which is a web-optimized font format. The font display, swap, property is crucial for performance. It tells the browser that it should use the fallback font system instantly until the custom font has fully loaded. We close the @font-face block now that we've specified all the necessary properties for loading our custom font. Next, we're going to specify the font family for the body of the document. This determines the primary font the browser should use for rendering text. Within the font family rule, we list custom font first, our custom font face. Following that, we provide a list of system font fallbacks, such as System UI and Sego UI. These ensure that text is displayed with a default system font if custom font is not yet available. We've now finished defining the style rules for our custom font and its system fallbacks. These rules are crucial in ensuring that the text remains readable while the custom font loads. Finally, we append our style element to the document's head. This makes our declared font configurations live on the web page so the browser can immediately apply them.